My name is Douglas Kanja, the Inspector General, National Police Service. This evening, I'm going to do a press briefing purposely to give a reassurance of safety and security to the Republic of Kenya. This is in respect to the matters that all of us will know in regard to the 25th day of June 2025. The National Police Service, established under Article 243 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, acknowledges its significant mandate to ensure public safety and national security. The service is apolitical with operational independence under the office of the Inspector General of Police. And it is obligated under Article 244A and the C of the Constitution to strive for the highest standards of professionalism and discipline among its members, and comply with the constitutional standards of human rights and fundamental freedoms. To ensure accountability, transparency, and adherence to the rule of law, the National Police Service is under oversight by a multi-agency framework, including the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, IPOA, the National Police Service Commission, and Parliament. It is also has internal affairs unit that receives, investigates, and acts on complaints. As a result of this robust accountability mechanism, every instance of police misconduct is dealt with firmly, swiftly, and transparently. Despite some unfortunate and isolated incidents for which the service regrets, our focus remains on being a professional, efficient, and responsive police service that delivers effective, people-centric, and accountable policing for safe and prosperous society. The Constitution, under Article 37, guarantees every person the right, peaceably and unarmed, to assemble, to demonstrate, to picket, and to present petitions to public authorities. Also, the Public Order Act, Cap 56, Section 5, Paragraph 1, 2, and 3 requires that such assembled persons should cooperate and coordinate with the police. For avoidance of doubt, Article 37 of the Constitution and also the Penal Code, Cap 63, Section 78 and 82, clearly provides the conditions necessary for lawful assembly. Any contrary conduct constitutes an unlawful and riotous assembly. The National Police Service shall, at all times, lawfully and firmly prevent any breach of peace by any group of or groups of persons acting contrary to the provisions of the law. Additionally, it is important to note that unauthorized persons must refrain from accessing protected areas under the Protected Areas Act, Cap 204, Laws of Kenya. Thus far, we appreciate the patriotism and the dedication to duty by all police officers who put their lives on the line for the defense of our motherland. These are the unsung sons and daughters of Kenya who work hand in hand with other agencies for the common good of the country. We assure our officers of our unwavering support as they execute their mandate as guided by the Constitution. Let's stand together as one people, united by our love for this great nation. In all that we do, let us remember one sacred truth. Kenya is our homeland. Let us protect it. We only have this country. The public is also urged to refrain from provocative acts directed to police officers in the execution of their duties. The National Police Service remains steadfast in its commitment to protecting lives and property across the country. We assure the public that we will continue pursuing and dismantling criminal networks to ensure the safety and security of all Kenyans, residents and visitors. In conclusion, I appeal to the public to continue supporting our efforts and to report suspicious activities to the nearest police station. All the same via the provided channels 999 911 112 0800 722 203 or fichua kwa DCI. All such information shall be treated with utmost confidentiality. God bless you. God bless our country, Kenya. Thank you. Thank you very much.